Hello, my name is Janet Green. I'm a fifth grade teacher at Baldwin Elementary School in Habersham County. This will be my very first year. I graduated from college last December with my bachelor's in education, and it was after I had a 30-year hiatus while I stayed home and raised my kids, and I had some other career endeavors that I pursued. I am now back into education and I'm very excited. I jumped into my master's right away so that I could get a head start um, because I'm starting very late in life. A little bit about myself. I've been married for 28 years. I have two boys who are grown. My oldest son is married, and I have a grandson who is a year old. Some of the hobbies that I enjoy is I love being out in nature. I love to kayak. I did a bunch of kayaking this summer in between classes at UWG. I love to camp. I love to swim. I just love being out in nature. I look forward to learning with you, and I look forward to interacting through our discussion boards and collaborating on assignments. Thank you.